Hi everyone, welcome to Hospitality Management 435 video series. As you know, my name is Dr. Amit Sharma. Okay, so in this first short video, we're going to talk about two things. We're going to talk about the different types of payments, and in particular, we're going to talk about annuities and perpetuities. Your chapter 5 slide set has slides 13 through 20. So please refer to those for this particular video discussion. Also, don't forget to read your book, pages 92 to 106. If you remember, these are headlines, so please do read the book. The quiz at the end of this video is going to be based on those chapter pages. Okay, let's get started. If you remember, right now we've been talking about the time value of money, and in particular we have discussed two key concepts, present values and future values. Now, present and future values are of the amounts of money that we are either going to receive or we're going to pay. Now, the question is, how do we receive these types of amounts, or how do we pay these types of amounts? For instance, salary is something that we get every month, hopefully, or usually, should I say. But then there are different other types of payments that we don't get every month. So let's just look at the different types of payments as we define for time value of money. Let's take a simple example. Let's suppose there's someone going to college, and friends and family have agreed to help this person go through college and with their expenses. Now, this is a drawing that I probably am not very proud of, but nevertheless. Okay, so let's suppose that the friends and family offer different types of ways that this person can be helped. So the first offer is that, what if we give you a one-time payment? So what if we give you a check of, being generous, $5,000, but the contract or the arrangement is that this is only once. It's not going to be repeated. Okay? So if it's only once, we would call this a one-time payment. In fact, the examples that we did of our present and future values in the class were one-time payments. Okay, so that's our first option. The second option, let's suppose they really do like this person, they meaning the friends and family. They can offer that, well, you probably need a little bit more help than 5,000, so how about we offer you $3,000 each year until you or the person graduates. Let's assume 4 years to graduation, which makes it 4 payments. Now, pay attention, these payments are of an equal amount, and they are every year, meaning there is an equal amount of space between these payments. We therefore call these payments annuities. All right, now let's suppose there's this third option that this person gets. Now, this option is as if the, the friends and family really like this person. So what are they going to do? They'll say, hey, how about we deposit, um, let's say they deposit $50,000 in a bank account or in a financial security that would pay annual interest payments. Let's be conservative and let's say that it's going to pay 2% every year, which adds up being about $1,000 each year. Now, the fun part about this is that this payment of $1,000 will never stop. It is essentially forever. To the extent that once you decide you don't want this, or the person decides they don't want this, or for whatever reason it has to stop being paid to the person, that person can transfer it to anyone else that they would like. The green payment of $1,000 each year forever is called a perpetuity. Obviously, there are other examples of annuities, one-time payments, and perpetuities. Please read the book. Make sure you understand what are the differences, because we're going to have a quiz on these three different types of payments, particularly the annuities and perpetuities. Okay, that's it for this one. Thank you.